Hi guys! In today's video, I'm showing you how to add transitions in clips using CapCut. The process will be quite simple and easy, but before starting the process, let me tell you one thing: you can add a single transition between two clips. Means if you want to add a transition, then you need at least two clips. You can't add transition in single A clip, so make sure you have two clips for adding transition. And once you have all, you can import your both clip in CapCut like me. Let's take both videos to editing section and put a transition between these. I cut all the unnecessary parts. Now I'm zooming in, and on this part these both videos are combining together, so we can add transition here. Now take a look. On the left top, you will see a lot of options like media, audio from here. Tap on this option transitions. Here you can see different folder of transitions like overlay, camera, blur. So search for your transition. For example, I am going into this section and here are the transitions of camera. So before adding any transitions, you have to download this. Once you download that, simply tap and hold on that transition and drag that between these two clips. Now the transition has been added. Now I'm playing my video. So you see the transition has been added. So by using this method, you can add transition to your video to make them look more better by using CapCut.